Hi everyone, it's Janis here, and in this video we will explore what is generation effect. To improve your learning and teaching abilities, there is a concept that you can use. So let's talk about generation effect. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. The generation effect, also known as self-generation effect, is a phenomenon where information is better remembered if it is generated from one's own mind rather than simply read. This is generally related to the meaning and importance that is attached to the thoughts and memories. If you read a book, for sure, you'll remember the highlights and some concepts of it. But if during the reading process you come up with your own ideas, then you'll remember them even better. This is important if you're learning something by yourself or you're teaching other people. So let's take a look at few examples. Let's say that you're reading a material that you have to learn. To utilize the generation effect, you would read the material in sections. Usually, books come in chapters or sections that you can use as a stopping point. Once you complete the chapter, close the book and rethink the material. During this process, think about how you can relate the material that you have just read to something in your life. This will attach higher meaning to what you have read, and therefore it will be easier to store that information in your memory. Generation effect can be also used when trying to teach someone else. As an accountability coach, when I work with my clients, I often have to teach them new concepts and ideas. But instead of telling them what and how, I try to ask them questions so that they can come up with the answers by themselves, and that is a more powerful way of teaching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick overview of what generation effect is and how you can use it to your advantage. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.